Hi guys, Joe here. This is day 26 of my hip replacement. So we're still trying to do some stuff. So right here, these three pieces of wood I got off my tree, which is a willow tree, goat willow. And I tried taking the bark off here and using it to make cordage. But that's still going to be a work in progress. I did take some off as well and put in a bucket of water for a couple of days to see if it softens up the bark on it. But we'll have to see. Out of these three pieces I cut, I think that was the straightest. It's not particularly straight, but it might work. What we're going to do is we're going to try to make a bow drill spindle out of this. It might work, it might not, but we'll try. So this is my bow drill stick, probably at least, I would say 10 years old. This lasted me ages. Has a bit of a tar bank line for a string. We got a bit of a circle marked off. We're gonna go for that one. And we're gonna do a small fire, not a fire properly because it's ridiculously hot as it is, and everybody's windows is open, and I don't want smoke going in people's houses. The knife we're going to use is the British Machete Company one, Soul Fuge, I think it's called. So nice and easy. We're just here relaxing. This isn't survival. We're just trying some stuff out. I think this wood is lime. I'm not sure, but let's just try to do this notch without stabbing ourselves and just relax. I sound like the painter Bob guy. We're gonna paint some clouds here, but yeah, just relax. We'll do a little divot here just so the spindle doesn't keep popping out. It's a little bit quieter. I've been waiting for it to die down noise-wise. We had a lot of dogs barking today and some other issues. All right, I think that might be okay. So what we're going to do next is we're going to see if I can do this on the step, because I won't be able to get to the ground and do this, or on a wooden chair possibly. But we'll find a spot and give it a go now. It's not the best position, but between bricks and my dog's ramp, I can't really do much about that. So what we're going to do is put a big old foot on that. Oh, my back. That and the notch. We're going to use a skate wheel. Might have to move you a little bit. Put you over there, I think. Is that okay? Yes, okay. So not the smoothest. If it doesn't work, I got another spindle, but I just wanted to try. Nope, that's walking off. Try it one more time. I think I need to move that over, move that over, move that like that a bit more. Oh, back. Getting too old for this. So, starting to. Again, we're just fucking about, messing about here. Got a little bit of dust. So, it was working. But, whew, so hot. We'll try it again. Oh, put that in there again. That on top. Lock it in. smoke. All right. So it's this one here. Yeah, so burned in a little bit. That's not bad. I know some say save it, but right. So I got an idea how big the pie is going to be. I knew it wasn't going to be as big as that circle penciled in because that's from another project. But we're going to try to cut in a slice now. Right, I managed to find a better angle for you. Just going to put, if I do get an amber, I'll put it in there. But like I said, I'm hopeful, but realistic, this might not work. So, gonna, oh, jeez. Just gonna put our big old crock on there. Adjust it so it doesn't hurt your back. That'll go in there. I'll put that in there. And then let's hope for the best together, right? There. Oh, it's really sticking up there. Is it this bit? Let's try the other side of that, because that was not moving at all. Oh, now we got slipping. I didn't want that. So my thoughts are that's just not straight enough. It's too many bends in it, I think. So I think that's the reason why it's not working. So I'm going to go for a different, this is my original spindle, and we'll just see if this works in that hole. Yeah, couldn't do it with that one either. So tried. It's just too hot. This is definitely more of a solar fire kind of day. But at least I tried something. You know, Bushcrafty. I did manage to get some dust out of it and everything. Just have to go back and practice, but just not today. Steps a bit too far from my back. But it's a day 26 and we're still trying some new stuff. So even though this was a fail, we're still trying something. So make sure you guys get a chance to go out to the woods and keep practicing, keep doing bushcraft, and just get out there. Catch you guys in the next one.